Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to link your credit cards to PocketGuard, the awesome budgeting app that helps you track your spending and take control of your finances. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on managing money like a pro. First off, let's quickly cover what PocketGuard is. It's a free app designed to connect with your financial accounts, giving you real-time insights into your budget, expenses, and savings goals. Linking your credit cards is a game changer because it lets you monitor transactions automatically, spot overspending, and avoid surprises at the end of the month. To get started, make sure you have the PocketGuard app downloaded from your phone's app store. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in or create a new account if you haven't already. Now, navigate to the Accounts or Add Account section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Step 1. Tap on Add Account and select Credit Card from the options. Step 2. Choose your credit card provider from the list. If it's not there, you might need to select Manual Entry. Step 3. Enter your login details for your credit card or bank account. PocketGuard uses secure encryption, so your info stays safe. Step 4. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, which might involve verifying a small test transaction or confirming your identity. Step 5. Once linked, you'll see your credit card balance and recent transactions appear in the app. A quick tip: if you encounter any errors, double-check your login info or ensure your credit card app is up to date. And remember, linking multiple cards is easy. Just repeat the process. There you have it. Linking your credit cards to PocketGuard is straightforward and can transform how you handle your finances. Try it out today and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.